Hello everyone, hope you're all doing great, and we are doing this interview backstage of Pro Punjab League. Harsh Sharma, the underdog, the most underrated boy sitting beside me. You are a pure Chupa Rustom. What did you do when Har Komal ka match आपके साथ हुआ and he was so confident and he was judging you with your last national, alright? तो right after that पूरे इंडिया में हलचल मच गई भाई, हर कोई रूटिंग फॉर हर कोमल गिल, बट कैसे हुआ?
I will explain.
How was the match?
I'll explain.
Yes.
Obviously हर कोमल बहुत strong टॉप रोलर है. मेरे को पहले से ही पता था कि उसको हराना इजी नहीं होगा. तो what I did कि I know there's not much strength gap in between me and him. I felt in nationals, but he was very good. But it was a stylistical mistake from my side. तो what I did कि मैंने उसके साथ जैसे नेशनल में खेला था तो मुझे पता था कि मैंने क्या गलती की है जस्ट आफ्टर लूजिंग द बाउट, एंड मैं वो करेक्ट करने ही वाला था जब उसके साथ मेरा रीबाउट होता, बट आई लॉस्ट ऑन फाउल्स.
That's so sad.
Then I got to know about PPL. They took me in.
Invited
and
you.
Sanjay Bhaiya directly messaged me, show me your match. मैंने उनको बताया, एंड उनको बताने के बाद हुआ क्या, उन्होंने भी सेम चीज़ ही बताई बट और अच्छे से बताई. ओके, तो संजय भैया के बताने के बाद मेरे को पता चल गया कि मैं जो करना चाहता था वही करना है मुझे. तो उन्होंने परफेक्टली ग्रिप वगैरह बताया. मैंने वो, और जब मैच से जाने से पहले आई वॉज नर्वस. अभी भी किसी से भी मैच हो मेरा तो मैं बहुत नर्वस फील करता हूँ. हाँ, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं बड़ा कॉन्फिडेंट होता हूँ. जस्ट स्टेज पे वो स्टेज पे दिखाने के लिए होता है कि मैं बड़ा कॉन्फिडेंट एंड ऑल, बट आई एम सो नर्वस. तो देन आई गो, मैच हुआ तो आई टुक द सेम ग्रिप दैट संजय भैया टोल्ड मी, एंड आई नो आई हैव टू डू दैट. And first round, boom, stopped it.
The moment it stopped, how did you feel?
Now, then I know I got his wrist and I can do something from there. But even after that, in the first round, I tried to press him, but I couldn't do it because मेरे को थोड़ी मेरी inability है वो कि मैं press नहीं कर पाया उसको.
अच्छा.
हाँ, otherwise he was too strong. Even from here, he took me in a cup. From here, 2 to 3, 7, 8 hits, and I got down. Then after that, I never make that mistake again.
You didn't make the mistake.
I was taking his wrist, and after that, full shoulder commitment
के साथ किया.
That's it.
I think पूरे सीजन में जो आपने वो पूरे मैच का रूप जो था वो बदला. ओ भाई साहब, पूरे इंटरनेट में सिर्फ आप ही का बात चल रहा है. एवरीबडी शॉक्ड एंड यू डिड दैट. एंड आई हर्ड एट द सेम टाइम फ्रॉम समवन, बट योर PRs in all was almost like 60 below, 50 above.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oh my god. But guys, क्या लगता है, देखो इनको, he's just 80 kg but he's able to pull from one hand 50 above, 60 below, those numbers. It's like international. What are you doing here? You should be in the international. You should be.
It will take some time. Yeah, one day, for sure.
Awesome. To gain enormous power, how did you, like, what's the secret?
Secret I will tell you. It's called knowledge.
Okay.
I have the knowledge of all the programming, how to make programs, this and that, plus everything good, on point nutrition diet, all that. That's it. Just basic programming, just know how to apply everything, how to stay away from injuries, all that. And plus I think I also believe so much in myself.
Okay.
From the age of 18, I guess I joined the gym. From that day, I know I will do something much greater than I can think of. So that's it, I think.
That's beautiful. And the foundation you never miss, and that is pull-ups, barbell dips, chin-ups. Oh my goodness. Foundations are very important, which he has been doing. That's where the all connections lies, isn't it? Beautiful. Is Vethozo strong?
See, अगर मैं विथोजो को ओनली अपनी आर्म की पावर पे ऐसे रोकना चाहूँ तो आई डोंट थिंक मैं वो कर सकता हूँ. बिकॉज
कोई कर सकता है 80 kg में.
80 kg में I don't think so. No. Right now I don't think so. Okay. I have few guys in mind, but they are not in the 80 kg.
Yeah, 80, only 80. ठीक है. हाँ, तो then if you want to keep for a second as opponent, के तौर पे अगर आप नहीं देखेंगे, what move you like the most in Vithozo?
With Ozo.
And will you learn from him?
Absolutely.
हाँ जी.
I am not going to learn the same technique he did on me, but I am going to counter that. So with Ozo, I know I am going to take his wrist. Maybe he gave it intentionally, but I think I took it. And the shoulder commitment plus his side pressure plus his bicep strength, everything so
Strong.
so here.
Top notch level पे है.
I even took him to the pad. That's the funny thing. I couldn't finish him from here. मैं उसको pad तक लेके गया. उसके बाद just the inability to climb and just you know the centimeter. अभी भी दर्द होता है. पूरी रात रोया भाई.
पूरी रात रोया. Oh my goodness. आप रोते भी?
नहीं वैसा वाला
मन कर रहा.
अभी तक मैं वो दुख होता है मेरे को कि वो इतना सा मैं कर सकता था. मैच अगर मैं बैक देखूं अपना फिर से रिवाइंड करके, तो I know what I needed to do, but at that time I couldn't.
That's so sad. That's so sad. This is the beauty for arm wrestling. You cannot predict कि उस particular second में क्या हो सकता है, क्या निकल के आ सकता है. Wow, so beautiful, awesome. According to you, the right way being sportsmanship. That's the question.
क्या क्वेश्चन?
According to you,
According to me,
the right way being a sportsmanship.
मुझे समझ नहीं आई.
Sportsmanship मतलब एक होता है ना,
Right
जैसे
way
कि-
to sportsmanship.
Right, एक sportsmanship एक खासियत होता है आपके हिसाब से, अकॉर्डिंग टू यू कैसा होना चाहिए?
ओके ठीक है. अब देखो, फॉर एग्जांपल हरकोमल लॉस्ट टू मी, उसी की एग्जांपल लेते हैं. He was so confident, and उसकी भी गलती नहीं है. He has to be confident because he defeated me so easily. He was confident, but he lost from me. And after that, nothing, no, I will come back stronger, this and that. He just accepted the loss, and even we talked in the personal DMs. He said, बहुत अच्छा खेला आपने ये वो. And every time I look up to him for this, Komal. Every time he loses, he just works on himself. No, nothing, no promises, nothing. All just delivers. That's what I think.
Wow.
To me, that what sportsmanship
That's
is.
beautiful.
Yeah.
How about Vithozo? Vithozo.
With also the same. Also more humble.
So cute.
Yeah. Oh, very cute.
Very cute.
Let me tell you
He's
something.
so humble.
Let me tell you something. You know the call out video. First of all,
yes.
don't hate me for that. It was not intentional. It was just a show, you know, to gain
Scripted.
more. Yeah, scripted to gain more views. Everyone just hating me for no reason. So Vithozo, very. When he talks, I didn't know he know how to speak in Hindi. So first time I saw him talking in Hindi,
Okay.
I was so like, whoa. भाई तुझे भी हिंदी मालूम है, बोल ना फिर.
Exactly.
And he talks so cute in that.
Oh my goodness.
His face is so cute.
Indeed, he is.
As a boy, I'm saying, but he's cute.
Wow. That's beautiful. And last, I think we have covered everything. So one message towards your people, supporter, and the opponents if you have.
तो मेरे जितने भी सारे मेरे जम्मू के खासकर भाई हैं, कश्मीर से भी बहुत सपोर्ट आया, बट जम्मू के खासकर जो मेरे भाई हैं, सारे मेरे में बहुत बिलीव करते हैं, हद से ज़्यादा बिलीव. एवरीथिंग, मतलब कुछ भी हो, हर्ष भाई हमसे मेरे को मैसेज करते हैं कि हमसे ज़्यादा हमको आप पे बिलीव है. हर्ष भाई प्लीज़ डू दिस, इसको हरा दो. नो मैटर कोई भी ओपोनेंट हो, ऑलवेज यू गाइस मतलब मेरे को कहते हो कि आप हरा दोगे इजीली. तो मैं भी उनको बता वो चाहता नहीं हूँ डिसअपॉइंट करना कभी. तो दिस फर्स्ट मैच आई थिंक मैंने काफ़ी अच्छा किया कि आप सारे वो इवन बहुत क्रेज़ हो गया था. इवन पीपल आर फाइटिंग इन द कमेंट्स, जम्मू वर्सेस पंजाब. डोंट डू दैट, बट आई नो हाउ मच यू लव मी. सारे मेरे से बहुत प्यार करते हैं. तो हाँ. तो विथोजो से आ रहा हूँ, डोंट वरी, आई विल कम बैक.
That's beautiful. That's again a bold statement towards Vithozo. He's coming back.
Plus the message to my opponents. I know my potential. I know what I can do. Give me 6 months more. 6 months to a year, I will be completely different arm wrestler. You
Okay.
will never see something like that.
Let's go. So I was about to ask him. You're gonna learn from him how to anti-flop press.
Yeah, absolutely.
And you're gonna apply on him.
yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I learn from everyone. I learn from everyone.
That should be. That's where, you know, even whoever is teaching becomes even stronger.
Yeah.
You know, amazing.
Yeah,
What
yeah.
an interview. Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much,
sir. Thank you
Harsh
so
Baji.
much.
Thank
It's
you
an
so
honor.
much.
It's an honor. Thank you for your time.
From our end, at the same time, it's an honor to have you here in this
sir,
meeting.
my pleasure.
All the very best for
you so
tomorrow.
much. Thank you so much,
अच्छा
sir.
रेस्ट लीजिए
हाँ जी।
and हार दीजिए.
हाँ, बिल्कुल
Let's
sir.
go. Let's
Thank
go.
you for your time.
Thank you so much. We'll do this.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, let's
full.
go. Oh, full.